Welcome to BlinkSolve tutorials. In this video you will learn how to attach and embed PDFs into Articulate Storyline. So we're starting with attaching PDFs, how to attach PDFs to your Resources tab. So click on Home and then click on Player. The player properties will open up, and then click on Resources. And then click on the icon with the blank piece of paper. And then type in your title. I'll type BlinkSolve mission and vision. For this tutorial, we'll assume that all the files are stored locally on your computer. So we'll just click File here and then click Browse. And I've prepared a folder with all the PDFs that I need. Here I will choose PDF 1 and then click Open and then click Save. And you can see right here in the player preview that it shows right here under Resources. And we will also look at the preview right here. You can see we have the Resources tab, and there's a PDF, and the learner will have to click and then it will open up in a new tab. But this is not showing right here in preview mode. So be aware that if you want to test how this looks, you have to publish to Review 360 or publish to web. Okay, but what if you don't want to explain to your learner that they will have to open resources? This might be a bit tricky for them. They will have to click outside of the slide, and you really can't point them towards there, because depending on your device, this might look a whole lot different. Like for example here, you can't say just click on the Resources tab because it isn't here. It is behind the 3 ellipses. So maybe the next tip is something for you, which is inserting a text box that contains a hyperlink to your PDF. So I will type in ebook PDF, and then I will select this text, right click, and then I will click on hyperlink. And now I can choose a PDF. I will click PDF 2, and it's a trigger. So when the user clicks ebook PDF, this file will open up. Okay, and I could also use a button. Choose a button, type in ebook PDF, and for this button I can add a trigger, not jump to slide, but I want to choose open URL and then click on these 3 dots right here, choose PDF 3, and when the user clicks this button, this file will open up. Okay, I want to show you how this will look, so I will do publish to Review 360. I will create a new item. I will call it attach PDF, and I will click publish. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, so the course is uploaded. And right now you can see I have the PDF under Resources. It opens up in a new tab. I have the text hyperlink. It opens up in a new tab. And I have the button, and it also opens up in a new tab. So this is basically the same. In each of these tabs you have some controls. You can resize the PDF, look at thumbnails and table of contents. And yeah, just note that if you do it this way, the PDFs will be part of your published project. And I think that this is an advantage. You don't have to worry about these PDFs anymore. They are in your published project, and they will open up in a new tab. But what if you don't want to open the PDFs in a new tab? You want to show them right here in your Storyline project. This is also doable, and I will show you right now. Okay, so first we will open up a new project, and I will save the new project, and I will name it Embed PDF. Save. Okay, first step done. Next step is we have to create a folder with the PDF file and an index.html file that's pointing in the direction of the PDF. So I will do this in my Articulate projects. It's good because it's a local direction on my hard drive. I will choose new folder and I will call it my PDF source. Okay, I will go to my PDF folder and copy PDF1 and paste it into my PDF source. And now I have to create the index.html file with the code. I have the code saved in a Word file right here. And I will put this code in the description of this video so you can go ahead and copy it from here. And we will just need to put this into a text editor like Notepad. So I will open up Notepad. You can use another editor if you like. I will put in the code right here. Yep. And you can put a title right here. Right now, I'm not really sure where this will show up, but you can just go ahead and type in the title of your PDF. And here, where it says your file name here, this is very important. You have to put in the exact file name of your PDF. I know that mine is PDF1. It's not that hard to remember. It's right here, PDF1, and I have to type in PDF1.pdf. And yeah, that's about what I have to do to this code. And now comes a very important part. You have to save this as a HTML. Here it's in the right location, so my PDF source. This is important, but what's even more important is save as. Don't use text document, because then it will be a .txt. We want to save it as a .html. So I will type in here index.html, and then I will click save. And then we can take a look at our folder, and it's a Chrome HTML document. For you, it might be an Edge HTML document, but this is looking quite good. So this is what we want. We have the PDF, we have the index.html that is pointing towards PDF1, and now we can switch back to Storyline. In Storyline, we will open up the slide, and then we will insert a web object and choose this, choose the folder, go to my Articulate projects, and it's the my PDF source that we want to embed. So I've chosen this folder. It's right down here. I will click select folder. And you don't have to point it exactly at the index.html. Storyline will take care of this. Right here, just make sure that behavior says load automatically, and display the settings are set to slide and scale with slide. And then click OK. I'm getting 2 new windows here that you might not get. I've done some testing, and if you're getting these windows, just ignore it. Click on cancel and don't worry about it. Okay, so now I can see that a web object was inserted. It has the correct address, and as you can see, Storyline has already went ahead and put the index.html at the end of this address. And now normally, of course, you would click preview, but the web object is also not functional in the preview mode. So once again, we will go ahead and publish. You can choose web or review 360. Embed. Okay, and then I will click publish. View project. And you can see that the PDF is embedded into my Storyline. And I have some controls here. I can put this away. I can make the PDF bigger. And this is all, these controls are part of the PDF viewer that my browser is using. So this is the PDF viewer of Google Chrome. If your learner is using a different browser, these controls might look different. So just be aware that there might be some variability here. Okay, and I want to mention one more thing, that is the slide size. Here we have the standard slide size of Storyline. So if we come in here, design, slide size, you will see that the height is 540 pixels and the notepad or index.html file defines a height of 500 pixels. So there's a difference of 40 pixels, and I strongly advise you to always keep this 40 pixel difference. So even if you have a bigger story size, like 1040 pixels or something, always keep exactly 40 pixels less in the index.html file. Okay, now there should be only one question left, and this is how to add multiple PDFs. And I've prepared a project for you to look at. It's the Embed multiple PDF, and here you can see that this is doable. It's possible. You just have to work with a bit different file structure. I have one here. It should look like this. So you have one folder and then some subfolders. Here I have 1, 2, and 3 because I want to embed 3 different PDFs. And each of these folders contains the index.html file and the PDF file. So we have PDF1 here, PDF2 here, and PDF3 here. And the index file is always matching the current PDF in the folder. So here in folder 3, it's PDF3, and the source is also PDF3.pdf. Okay, so I just have to show you how this looks in Storylines. So right here, there's 3 slides, and each of those has a web object, and it's pointing in the direction. Here it's folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do to embed multiple PDFs. Yeah, I really hope this was helpful to you. You now know how to attach and embed PDF files to your Articulate Storyline courses. And if you like this fast solution, show your support with a thumbs up. And for more efficient tutorials, please consider subscribing to BlinkSolve tutorials. And I hope your learning journey just got a little bit simpler. And yeah, that's it. Thank you and bye.